Deep in the heart of rural India, far away from the noise of the cities, nature reveals its quiet hidden beauty. Among the green fields and pacifical surroundings, a small flower begins to bloom. At first glance, it might look simple, something you might easily pass by, but when you take a closer look, you discover something truly indescribable. Its vibrant pink, vibrant pink petals, soft, delicate, and perfectly arranged, surround a bright yellow center, glowing like a tiny sun. Every detail of this flower tells a story of patience, of growth, and of nature's silent magic. In the village of India, life moves at a different pace, slower clamor, more contact to the earth. And in these claims, flowers like this bloom freely, untact yet ultimately beautiful. As the gently breeze passes through the flower away softly, as if it's allow, as if it's unique to the rhythm of nature. Moments like this remind us that beauty don't always come from big things. Sometimes it's hidden in the smallest details. In a world full of distractions, we often forget to pause, to look closer, to appreciate what's right in front of us. But nature always finds a way to bring us back. This single flower is not just a plant, it's a reminder the simplicity can be powerful and beauty can be found anywhere if you just take the time to see it. So, the next time you see a flower, don't just walk past it, take a moment, look closer, and you might discover a whole new world. If you enjoy pacifical nature moments like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to Indian Farm Life. Very every day, nature tells new story. But have you ever stopped just for a moment to truly look at a flower? Not just see it, but actually notice it. Because sometimes the most extracting beauty is hidden the simplest things. Here in the quiet village of India, far from the rush of modern life, nature unfolds in its purest form and right her into middle of green field and fresh air. The beautiful pink flower begins its journey, its petals soft and vibrant, layered specifically like a piece of earth, crafted not by humans but by nature itself. And at the center, a glowing yellow core, radiating warm like a tiny sun. This is not just a flower, this is a mystification. In place like this, flowers don't bloom from attention. They don't need admiration. They simply exist. The peaceful harmony with nature. As the sunlight touches each petal, colors come alive. creating a moment that feels almost magical. And when the vine gently blooms, the flower moves like it's breathing, like it's alive with emotion. In today's fast moving world, we were always chasing something bigger, something louder, something more. But nature sorts out something different. It teaches us to slow down, to appreciate the present, to find joy in the little things. Because sometimes a single flower can bright more peace than anything else. This is the beauty of rural India, simple, raw, and real. A place where life is not rushed and every moment feels magical. So next time when you come across something small, something ordinary, ordinary, take a closer look because you never know what kind of beauty you might discover if you enjoy specific real life moments like this. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. This is Village Farm Life India, where nature speaks without saying a word. Thank you, friends. Please channel like and subscribe. Bye. Next video. Okay. See you.